What's the meaning of affiliation? Affiliation. 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 Affiliation refers to the state or act of being formally connected or associated with a particular organization, institution, or group. It typically involves a formal agreement or membership and can involve financial support, shared values, and a sense of identity and community. Affiliations are common in various fields, such as education, politics, sports, and business, and often provide opportunities for collaboration, networking, and mutual benefit. By affiliating with a particular group, individuals or organizations can gain access to resources, expertise, and support that can help them achieve their goals more effectively.